Hello everybody, it's 11:08 and 22 seconds on Friday, January 11th. This is the mini number 1 for the Spider-Man 14 graded 3.5. In this mini, whoever comes in first place will get the first 6 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next 3 open spots in the main. Whoever comes in third will get the next single open spot. It will be filled in order of availability. Alright, so here are the 25 spots. Pardon me. Let's roll the 3 dice. Number is 14, and away we go. Good luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and here comes the final one. 14, Tony Hull, Justin Hines, B. Lane, congratulations. Time is 11:09 and